Hi, kindergarten. You are going to be working in your sight word packet, and this time you are going to be using the blue sight word packet, not the green one, the blue one. And turn to the very first page, and the very first page should look like this one and have the sight word the, T-H-E, the. You can use a crayon, you can use a pencil to do this page, you choose. So first, you're going to write your name at the top. So write your name where it says name and put that right here. Next, it says read it 3 times. So you're going to read the sentence 1, 2, 3 times. Each time you read it, you are going to color in one of these stars here. So I'm going to read it 1 time now, and I'm going to say, the dog is on the bed. Oh, and there's a picture of a bed and a picture of a dog to help me sound that out, and that's a picture clue. I see that they underlined the because that is the sight word we're working on today. So they underlined our sight word. So I read it 1 time, so I'm going to color in one of these stars. So I read it once. Okay. I'm going to read it again. The dog is on the bed, period. Notice the spaces in between the words and the capital at the beginning and a period at the end. Oh, I read it twice. So again, color in one of the stars every time you read it. And then you're going to read it 1 more time and color in the last star. Write it. That means I'm going to write the word the. So they gave me 3 boxes, and they gave me 2 long and 1 small one to match the size that the letter should be. So I'm going to write a T, top to bottom, cross in the middle, and then an H, top to bottom, and a half of a rainbow. Then an E, a lowercase e. So I'm going to go across, go up and around and down. The. Oh, 2 dotted line spaces. That means they want me to write it twice. So I'm going to go top to bottom, cross in the middle, top to bottom, go to the dotted line and put a hump. The E goes under the dotted line, go around, cross down, and a little curve up. Then I'm going to do it again, top to bottom, cross to the middle, top to bottom, go to the dotted for the hump over, and then the E. Circle around and come up, curve up. The. Find it. Find it means they want me to find all of the correctly spelled thes. If you look at some of these letters, they're in the wrong order to spell the, right? The only way we spell the is T-H-E. If they're in a different order, then that is not how we spell the. So I'm going to go and find all the thes. I can circle them or I can highlight them, right? Oh, that says et. That's not the T-A-H, not the. There's the, I think. Let me go line by line, and that's all. Build it. Build it means, if you notice, just like the other packet of sight words, it's at the bottom where I need to cut it off, and then I'm going to glue it. So I'm going to cut all the way across, and it has 2 T's, 2 H's, and 2 E's. So I'm going to cut all the letters out, and then I'm going to glue them into the spot. Can I glue a H and then an E and then a T? Or can I glue 2 T's and then 2 E's and then 2 H's? No, I have to glue them in order as you spell the. So it'll be T, and they gave me a capital T because there's a capital at the beginning of a sentence. So if you'll notice, there's a capital T down here, right? And then a lowercase t. That is because there's a the for the beginning of a sentence, and then there's a the in the middle of a sentence. So the has a capital T, H, and then an E, and then you do the other T, lowercase t, lowercase h, lowercase e, and glue those in. So you're not going to be writing them, are you? Nope, you're going to use the letters at the bottom and glue them into these spots. Draw it. You are going to draw the. So I know some of my kiddos can draw bubble letters, some can draw squiggly letters, some can just draw them normal letters, right? It's up to you, but you are going to draw it. So draw the dog is on the bed. So I'm going to draw that sentence. The dog is on the bed. So I can draw a dog with floppy ears, and a wag tail on a bed. The cover. What do you think? Then I'm going to go extra, and I'm going to write the word the. So you're supposed to read it first, write it, find it, build it, meaning cut and paste the letters from the bottom into these blocks, and then draw it. Draw it means read the sentence that you just glued the letters into. It says, the dog is on the bed. And so you draw it. You draw a dog on the bed to match the sentence. Then I want you to go to Seesaw and find Sight Word Packet. Click on it and submit a picture of your work from today's sight word.